really satisfied. Yeah.
Definitely. No, it's better than we ever would have hoped for, I think, to be honest.
So.
In terms of just the space created, quality of finishes, quality of workmanship, we were really delighted. Yeah, no complaints at all.
I think also one of the things that I am really pleased with is before we had the works done, we still used to spend a lot of time in the kitchen because I think it always is the heart of the home and where you like to spend time, and we always did, and it was obviously a lot smaller. We still did. And the minute the kitchen was finished, we would literally just hear every night we came home from work, we'd just come straight in and sit down, and it just reminded me of why we were doing it. I think it is the most important space in the house, and I think it's really worth getting it right. Because it's somewhere that we will, in the future, when we have family and people to come over, this will be the place that everybody will gravitate towards, and Definitely. So it's the most important thing to get right.
Absolutely. Yeah, no, we've been really pleased with everything. No complaints at all.
Nope.